village house with yard and annexes, to restore, central Portugal. Located in a small village, 10 kilometers away from the county seat, Vila Velha de Ródão, and 15 kilometers from the district capital, Castelo Branco, central Portugal. The house comprises ground floor, large attic and backyard. The already started renovation includes a new roof, new frames with double glazing, as well as a new sanitary installations in the bathroom. With 70 square meters floor area, comprises the ground floor and the attic. Through the hallway we have access to the 3 bedrooms. And further on we reach the bathroom. And the kitchen, where there is a large and old chimney. Next door is the dining room. And from here we have access to the backyard. With an uncovered area of 93 square meters. Among other outbuildings for storage, there is an annex with 42 square meters, with a second kitchen. Wood oven. And a small tank, once intended to support artisanal wine production. The access to the yard is made not only from the back of the house, but also through the side gate. Good location in the serenity of a Beira Baixa village, close to a river beach in the heart of the forest landscape that characterizes the municipality of Vila Velha de Ródão.